Let me introduce you to the LB1403Q motion sensor light from IQ America. This is a battery operated motion sensor light with some really cool features to it. It has adjustable heads, vertically and horizontally, adjust 30 degrees in either direction. It has an adjustable motion sensor, so you can move this around to detect the motion. It also has an alert mode and a dusk to dawn feature mode here. In addition, it comes with 4 C batteries, and it's super easy to install. You just attach the back plate to any surface, snap it into place, and you're ready.